Our pick for 2024 Emerging Brand of the Year is Kitchen Guard. It generated $6.8 million in revenue and an eye-popping $2 million in net operating income after royalties. These numbers were achieved across just 3 territories. It is B2B, so you won't have to deal with angry homeowners. It is a recurring service. Kitchen exhaust cleaning is a legal requirement and leads to recurring revenue every 90 days on average. They have a 90% customer retention rate, massive territories. The greater Milwaukee area is only 2 territories, for example. So what services do they provide? Kitchen exhaust cleaning to commercial kitchens, filter exchanges, green steam and repairs, and you'll need to have at least $75,000 of liquid capital to invest. Reach out to us today to qualify for our cash back program and save yourself up to $10,000 off this franchise. We'll also share some brochures with you and do a territory check to see if it's available in your area.